Hello, I'm Chef Walter, and welcome to The Italians, our new podcast, which is featured on acard.com. But today we have a wonderful event here, and let me introduce you to
Cinzia Uriati.
What are we doing, Cinzia, today?
Today we are having a cappuccino e conversazione.
And what does that mean?
Means that we are here with some other friends and we are talking in Italian. Parliamo italiano e abbiamo una bellissima conversazione.
And who are the guests here? Let's introduce them.
Gianna Zanini,
Adele Asante Carlson, Robin Tagliaferri.
We also have myself, Walter Potenza, but we have the distinguished honor of our captain from the Province Police Department.
Well, first of all, I'm not a captain, I'm only a patrolman.
In our
a former Guardia di Finanza in Italy when I was living there, and I'm joined this beautiful conversation with this beautiful group. And we'll get in touch because I run some programs for the Italian consulate up in Boston. So thank you very much.
Well, we know you've been involved in the community for many, many years now. Cinzia, this is a wonderful, wonderful opportunity, and it's a noble opportunity for you to open up the Italian language, to expand it, and to make it available for everyone, right?
Yes, absolutely. We are having this program open every other Saturday. We are going to meet probably again in this beautiful place in Roma, Federal Hill. And we are meeting, everyone wants to join us to parlare un po' italiano and take practice and be together and with a wonderful cappuccino here. And have so much fun, right, girls? Yes, absolutely.
Well, preserving the Italian language is certainly a task that we should pass along to our children, to everyone involved. And I think it's noble for you as well. Don't mind, it's a live show, and the lady next to me here decided that she wanted to renew her passport today. She had the 20 years to do it, but she wanted to do it today while we're recording this show. That's okay. We understand. So I understand. You don't get to see Mr. Captain Andreozzi all the time, but that's okay. Cinzia, one more question. You are getting also a younger generation involved, right?
Absolutely. This is my desire. I have my daughter here too, and whoever has small kids to come, they are absolutely welcome, and we are going to have more programs for kids too. So
And what is the name of this lovely lady here?
Sophia Uriati.
Sophia, how important is it for you, the preservation of Italian language?
It's pretty important to me.
You expected to go study in Italy at some point?
Yeah.
Maybe? Or to do some traveling there?
Yeah.
Excellent. Very well. Mrs. Tagliaferri, you're involved. You have a specific role here in the community. What do you do?
Yes, this project was formed by Cinzia, and it is the pilot project for hopefully a bigger project that will incorporate NOIA, which is the National Organization of Italian American Women, the Rhode Island region of that organization. Altogether, there are 400 members. In Rhode Island, we have 50 members. And this, we think, will be a lovely way to get together on Saturday mornings, excuse me, to discuss the language, but also to talk about the history of our heritage, current events as well, and also hopefully we would like to talk about traveling together to Italy. So that is one of our goals. So this is our first meeting, hopefully of many.
If someone wants to get involved with NOIA, what do you suggest they do?
They can, of course, see the NOIA website, which is National Organization for Italian American Women. They can also go to our Facebook page. Cinzia and I have a Facebook page. Cinzia si chiama
Amici in Rhode Island. Amici in Rhode Island.
And through that Facebook page, you can send a message to Cinzia, and we can connect you with all of our programs. So we have coming up two beautiful events. We have an Epiphany event every year. We are going to honor 3 Italian-American women in January, and then in March, we are going to have a La Festa della Donna.
Very nice. Cinzia, how do you suggest people get in touch with you to participate in this wonderful forum that you're preparing?
Yes, for La Festa della Donna, you can contact me via Facebook. My name in Facebook is Sora Cinzia, or you can reach the group, which is Amici in Rhode Island.
And if someone wants to join you every Saturday?
Every Saturday, just come up here in Roma, Federal Hill. And we actually have this program for Cappuccino and Conversazione every other Saturday. So next one will be November 12th. Just come up here, stop by in, and we will have this Cappuccino and Conversation.
Good enough? Yes?
And we are having so many conversations. It was wonderful to meet others who share our passion for the culture. So being here on location in Federal Hill is marvelous. And we have met so many new friends already who are going to join our effort, make it stronger.
Excellent.
Venite a trovarci.
Well, I applaud you, your energy and your desire and your vision. Chef Walter, take a look at the Facebook page from Sonia, Amici del Rhode Island. Join us for the Cappuccino e Conversazione on November the 12th. I apologize. And to all of you, stay in touch with our Italian heritage and continue to learn it and to share it. Until the next time, Chef Walter. Bye-bye.